everybody, my name is Yvonne and today we're going to make a Lego birdhouse. And these are the parts we need. Now let's start with the birdhouse. First, take this part and one of this part and put them like this. Now take a green part and take this part and keep it on the green and the gray so they cannot move. Now take another one of this and make it not even move. And take one of this part, this slime part, and keep it right here so there's no more space. There's only just that. And take one of this part and keep it on the yellow part with this. See? Now take this red part and keep it on the pink one and the yellow one. See? And now take the orange one and keep it here. And take this one and keep it here. And take one of this part and keep it on the top here. And take another one like this and keep it over here. Now take another one that's like this and take another one that's like this and keep it here. Now our house is done. Now we have the ground and the stick. And keep the stick on the ground. And now take the middle one, gray and green. Now it's done. Now let's do a bird. Now let's do the birds. I already made this by spending some time. And now let's do the second bird. First, take this with 2 holes and take one of this line and another one too. Put them on the both holes like this. And don't forget to put them straight. And take the beak and put the head. Okay, these Legos are always falling down. Now it's done. Now our second bird, and our first bird is done. And now we just need to put them on right here. One bird right here, one bird on the ground. See? If you like my video, please put likes to my video. Bye everybody, have a great day.